BMW HP2 Sport Best Motorcycle Review. A lot of money but a lot of bike with a serious amount of performance goodies. The BMW HP2 Sport is expensive, and quite rightly so, considering this is the finest sporting package BMW have rocked up with. Forget the fact that the HP2 Sport is an old air-cooled boxer engine that supplies the goods. Think more in the way this motorcycle will keep up with Japanese superbikes on the open road because of its handling, suspension and demon brakes. 14,500 pounds is a lot of money indeed, but it is a lot of bike with a serious amount of performance goodies to give big fun at the same time. Ride quality and brakes. You won't believe how ridiculously easy it is to cajole the BMW HP2 Sport through hairpins and fast sweepers. While the handling can be described as fast and light, agile, it remains as stable as the R1200S it is based on. Seriously, you can brake late and hard, and the telelever front end combined with an Öhlins shock absorber keeps everything shipeshape. An Öhlins shock at the rear does exactly the same perfect job of keeping the rear end in place at any speed or angle. Not only does it make a brilliant road-going bike, the BMW HP2 will cut up rough at track days. Engine. Based on the R1200S engine, the BMW HP2 Sport gives up a claimed 128 brake horsepower at the crankshaft to make this the most powerful boxer engine ever. The power figure comes from a higher rev ceiling thanks to a new 4-valve, double overhead cam design and lightweight pistons and superb electronics. Put this all together and you get a punch-laden lump that will hit high 120 miles per hour all day every day, and sound good from the underslung exhaust system. Gear ratios are revised enough to ensure the front wheel will loft in first gear and keep the engine on the boil at the top end of the revs. Reliability and build quality. 5 out of 5 rating for this section might seem strange, but you have to remember BMW ran the same model in the later stages of the World Endurance Championship without a problem. 24 hours of bold D or hell at the Magny-Course circuit is a tough test for a bike. The race bike ran with the same engine, ECU and air filter as you get with the HP2 Sport. Our BMW HP2 Sport owners' reviews are very positive too. We haven't heard about any prevailing problems so far. Value versus rivals. When you consider the BMW HP2 Sport came with every desirable component we'd all like to have on our own motorcycles, for example Brembo brakes, Öhlins suspension, then the £14,500 price was not so hard to swallow. To BMW purists this was the best, sportiest BMW ever and may be considered priceless. MCN is not alone on this line of thought because most of the 95 bikes UK bound for 2008 are pre-sold. Equipment. Although the HP2 Sport is a BMW, there are no panniers to talk of. There is, however, an accessory tank bag. Instead, what you get with the BMW HP2 Sport is the best of everything: Öhlins suspension, perfectly formed carbon fiber rear subframe, front fairing stay, upper fairing, front fender and more. Brembo race-spec monoblock front calipers and lightweight forged aluminium wheels laced with Metzeler race compound tires are just some of the other choice parts. The HP2 Sport is also the first production motorcycle to carry a quick shifter as standard, fitted inline of the gear lever to cut the spark and fuel injection for clutchless shifts.